Hi and welcome in this video. Today I am here to show you a business model that you can start today or tomorrow and start making from 100 to maybe 5 to 600 every month for your service. So let's watch the video until the end because I have a lot of information and tips for you, but go straight in this business model. So this business model, it's pretty much really simple and basic, but there is a lot of needs of this service. I advise you to do this because I've seen that it's pretty much easy to get clients and you don't need a business degree or other stuff. You can simply watch some YouTube videos or take a course, learn the skill, and then you can start searching for businesses to sell your service and other stuff. So the business model that I wanted to share with you today is managing the social media of a little company, because in every city pretty much there is little companies, and as you may know, the business owner and the people that own a company, in the most majority of cases they are old, they are not young like me or maybe like you, so they don't understand how social media and internet works, and they are leaving money on the table if they don't use social media. So you contact them and you explain your service, and then once you hit your first client, you will make them pay you from 100 to 5 or 600 every month, depends on of the service that I want to show you now, and they will pay you that amount of money every month, and you post and manage social media for them. So it's the process, the skills that you should learn. There are some basic marketing skills. You can simply go on Google and search some videos or some blogs about marketing, so you know exactly how to use the right image, the right colors, to use the image to post for your clients. Then you should learn a little bit of social media. Maybe you are already able to post on Facebook, Instagram, look at the insights, set up a page with all the information and the website. Maybe you should learn something, so you should simply go on the platform. It can be Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat, YouTube, depends of the platform that you use in your local area, and you simply start watching how they works. You can create for testing a page for yourself, maybe a page that wanna show you simple landscaping or a little hobby, and then you start growing that page. So first of all, you learn how to manage a Facebook page, and then you can show your clients, watch, I have created this Facebook page, everybody is from local area, and I can do the same thing for the page of your business, so you can have more potential clients. Say this, you should learn how maybe Facebook ads works, because maybe your client want to invest in ads, and you should learn how to do it. It's simple, as I said before, you go on YouTube, you find thousands of videos and tutorials that show you how to can create profitable business campaigns for you or for your business. And then once you have all the knowledge, you know where to start and where to finish from zero, how to create the great pictures. I advise you to go on canva.com. It's a website that is free, that you can create your graphic design for social media or website or other stuff. It's like Photoshop, but really simple. And then, as I said before, once you know exactly the process and everything you need to do, you go and searching for business owners. It's not difficult to find clients because you can simply go walking, or when you are on the street, you search for some businesses, and then you search on Facebook and Instagram if they have the social media pages, and if the content that they have is good. The majority of time you will find that social media pages are not present, or if they are the page, it's empty, or they have bad content, bad quality pictures. Maybe they do just a picture just to have something, but it's not the best impression to make to their clients. So now your job is to contact them, maybe via mail, or you can cold calling, or you can directly visit them in their office, in their store, and explain what their problem, how you can solve their problem, and maybe a testimonial from your page that you have already created, and so on. And this will maybe not the first client will say yes, but on 10 clients I think that at least 1 or 2 they say yes, because they see the potential. And maybe not now, but the next year, that people will wake up a little bit on social media and they can see the potential, you will absolutely find clients 100%. So start today learning this skill, and maybe already search to find some business owners that has bad social media profile. And also, if you don't have a lot of experience, you can reach out them and say this: okay, I am here to sell you this service, but I don't have a lot of experience, so I wanna make you this service for 2 months for free, and you simply write a testimonial on my service. So you don't earn the money, but you have a lot of experience and you have a testimonial, and the business owner don't lose anything, it just get benefit. So it's a win-win situation. And this bonus, you can use it also if you are good. If the client don't want, you can start, you say them, okay, I do this month for free, or I create a discount, and then the other month you will pay normally. For example, I had a client and since they was a startup, I created a special offer for them. So the first like 3 or 4 months I discounted of 25%, and then it returned to the 100% price. But so you can see that I help them and they will help me another day. So my advice to you is start today, as I said before, learn social media, learn advertising, and start doing this. And the beautiful thing of this business model is that you can already do your 9 to 5 job, whatever it is, because you need just some hours a month to meet the client, know exactly what type of content do you need to post, and then you sit down for 2 hours and you schedule all the content for all the month. So you think just maybe at the first hours of the month you dedicate to this, and then you have the entire month free, and you earn pretty much good money. So I hope you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.